Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys on your school Chromebook. First, understand that Chromebooks run Chrome OS, which is not compatible with Fall Guys' native Windows operating system. Most school Chromebooks also lack the powerful graphics card and 8 GB of RAM needed. However, there is a practical way to enjoy the game, bypassing these hardware and software limitations. The most effective method is using a cloud gaming service. These platforms run Fall Guys on high-end servers and stream the video directly to your Chromebook. This means your device only needs a good internet connection, typically 15 to 25 megabits per second, to display the game. You won't need to install the game locally, making it ideal for school devices. To get started, select a cloud gaming provider that offers Fall Guys, such as Boosteroid or Shadow PC. You'll need to create an account and purchase a subscription. Remember, you must already own Fall Guys on a compatible platform, like the Epic Games Store, to play it through these services. Simply log in via your Chromebook's web browser or a specific application, and you're ready to connect. For the best experience, try to use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi if available, as this provides greater stability. Close any extra browser tabs or applications to ensure your Chromebook dedicates maximum bandwidth to the game stream. Consider connecting a Bluetooth or USB gamepad for more precise control. If you encounter any lag, try lowering the in-game graphics settings within the cloud service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.